Okay, so like, I'm just sitting in the house right now, bored. You know, I ain't go out tonight when it's good old night. I don't know why, but you know, I gotta take out my hair because I got a meet in the morning. But I'm just sitting here bored, so I found this beat, and I'm like, oh, so this beat laid back, and I think I might want to play this. And I'm, you know, I ain't gonna exactly spit for you, but I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna explain. I'm gonna sit right here. Let me get to it. Yeah, I think this is a beat. It's a laid back beat, like it's chilling. Alright. Got it. This is just like an intro that I got. I was just fucking around with this, you know. Oh, here it is, right here. Okay. So Young Nike is officially in the building. And I'ma just tell you like how I do. Like I just sit here and I just what? Okay. Let me talk to you. Okay. So I just be here, sitting here, well I did, smoking and joking. My homies just went in the back, you know. I'm just chilling and junk, and I'm just having fun, drinking and sipping. I can't say I'm about to late, but if I was, you know I'd be dipping. Okay. I got a box of bottles, and I be clipping. Where the scissors at? I don't know. Cause niggas these days, they just be tripping. So like, just in case, I may be slipping. By the time I go all out, what the fuck? It's been a long time to go about. Let's take that. So when I take my time to ride tonight, because tonight might be the night, I'ma sing my last goodbye. You'll never know when it's your time to go, because life is good. Hey, that's all they say. So take your time, your time, and go step by step, and breath by breath. Take it slow, and never let death pass you by, homie. Okay. Keep my fly, kicks fly, swag all on my line. Washington, Jersey, baby, represent all day. I'm speaking my mind, cause the truth is what they say. See, this is not nothing. This is just a mess around. But when I come back, I'm coming harder. So get ready. This right here is just the introduction. Young Nike, does get nice. And when she's in the building, she does rip the mic. So, about to go handle some business.